Hi there, welcome to Magic Squares in Google Sheets. You'll see that I've opened up the template, which is a Google Slides, and each slide is actually going to be the different questions that we are going to create. And then you'll see the last slide, which I'll walk you through. So this is an example of a question that I made with a circle diagram. So to get these questions into my Google Sheet, I'm going to tap on the File menu in the top left, and I'm going to choose to download this slide as a picture. So I'm just going to choose PNG, but you can choose JPEG, it will still work. And then go ahead and save it to your desktop. So I'm going to put Q1 because this is question 1. So it's a name that I can remember. Come over to your Google Sheet, and on this tab, you'll see that here's where I'm going to put a picture of question number 1. So tap on the Insert menu, and then you're going to go down to Image, and you're going to choose Insert Image in Cell. And my favorite thing about Chrome is my image is down here. So all I'm going to do is click and drag the image into my Google Sheet. You'll see that it's really small, but don't worry, that's okay, because what's going to happen is here's that same question, and you'll see that the image is much, much larger. So here's the thing, my kids are going to share that the answer is technically a chord, should be the answer. Picture, this is what the students will get when they get that answer correct. All right, now it's time to split up your image into a puzzle. So here you can see that I found a nice circle meme that I would like to use for my magic squares. To make this easy, all I'm going to do is right click this image, and then I'm going to choose to save image as, and I'm going to save this to my computer. When I'm ready to actually split it up, you're going to use the link on that last slide or image splitter or something similar. Here, I'm going to tap upload image, drag, and drop right into it. Here it's going to ask how many pieces, and it will also ask you to crop it. So here I would like to use this entire piece, and I'm going to do a 3x3, which is going to give me 9 total pieces. Tap on split the image, and all you have to do is tap on the download image option, and I'm going to save this to my desktop. You'll see that it is a zipped folder, so I will show you how you actually need to unzip it to access all of your different images. I'm going to right click on this zipped folder, and I'm going to come up to extract all, and then it'll ask where you'd like to save it, and then you extract one more time. And now you're going to see every single one of these pieces is right here, and they've already numbered them for me, which makes it a whole lot easier. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my Google Sheet, and I'm going to start putting in all of these images. I just have to make sure that it all goes in order. So I'm going to tap on that same insert option, come down to where you see images, same thing, insert image in cell. And then from here, we're just going to tap the browse option, come over to your Magic Squares folder and select them. Obviously, you'll see these are not necessarily in the right order, so that is what would make this step a little bit trickier. Here, I'm going to show you what it actually would look like. So again, here's question 1. I'm going to say this is a chord, and there you're going to see that first puzzle piece appeared right here in this corner. As you go through and answer, you'll see all of these squares right here are going to start to fill in, and it's all going to work out really nicely. So that's all you're really going to do is just keep going all the way down, fill in your answer key, insert pictures for the answers, and insert pictures for the questions. Now, before you share it with students, the thing that you need to remember is on this particular tab, if you right click, be sure you choose to hide the sheet. And then what you're going to do is now you can share this with your students so they don't have the answer key.